Hey guys, so today I want to check out the S4 Mini versus the iPhone 5 in the Asphalt 8 Airborne game. So the new latest Asphalt game suits the good stuff. So let's begin. Let's check it out. These phones doesn't have the same display in terms of size. It is a little bit smaller on the iPhone, 4-inch versus 4.3-inch on the S4 Mini. Vroom! Okay, I'm sorry. I kid. Nevada, isn't that like in where Vegas? Yeah, Vegas, not Vegas. Vegas. I think that's located in that place, in the desert, because this seems to be like a desert place. So, I mean, the S4, I already made a video like this with the Galaxy S4. Someone would want to see like the S4 Mini. If you don't know what's the difference between the S4 and the S4 Mini, I mean, the S4 Mini is almost the same specs. I mean, of course, not as good processor, dual-core processor, but most of the times you won't really notice a big difference between that one and quad-core. And I mean, in terms of gaming, of course, that has to do a lot with the graphic processing unit. I think that's the name of it. It has the Adreno 305 GPU instead of the Adreno 320 GPU that you do get on the S4. And you really don't notice a big difference between Adreno 305 and what is being called. Oh shit. Yeah, Adreno 305 performs as good, I would say, as the Adreno 320 in like 99% of the games. You won't really notice the difference. But, hey, we have another thing here. The iPhone, what's up with that one? This is the thing that's awesome with Apple. They always find a way to make everything is a little bit more smooth in terms of performance. Not that the S4 Mini lag, not even close, but it's something with like the butter feeling. It feels so good. It feels like this motherfucker's never gonna even. It's not even gonna lose one frame. Never, ever. That's how good it feels. Okay, that's how good. It feels like 60 or 100 FPS stable. No kid. I don't kid. While when the S4 Mini feels like, yeah, 30 FPS, and that's good. Yeah, I might also be wrong about this, but it feels, and I go with feeling, okay? I go with feeling, so I'm gonna call it, I would pick the iPhone between these two. Now, when I did this comparison, the S4, the full-size S4 versus the iPhone, I did pick the S4 because I do actually believe that I would want to play a game on a 5-inch phone with a little bit lower FPS rather than a small phone. For me, I think this is small. I mean, this is small. But when we compare it against the S4 Mini, which is 0.7 inches smaller than the S4, I'm actually gonna call. I would rather play this game on the iPhone 5 when I compare these two devices, and hopefully, if Apple would launch a new iPhone, or of course they will, maybe even 2 iPhones next month, I really do. It would be amazing if they could pick out a 4.3-inch next generation iPhone, but I don't think that's gonna happen. But if they would, then it would have the same screen size as the S4 Mini, but here is the good part: it have the same screen size, a bigger screen, same as the S4 Mini, and then better performance, even better than the iPhone 5 probably. Even though I'm not sure how you can do that and see that and everything, but maybe add some more graphics, but they're probably not going to do that. Maybe the next Asphalt game, Asphalt 9, I mean, it's going to crash. It's seriously going to kill some ass. But, I mean, why Apple? I need a bigger display, but I'm still going to call you a winner, Apple, because 4-inch, 4.3-inch is not a super big difference. It's not a super big difference, okay? So, I'm going to say the iPhone is winner for this video. And, oh my god, I'm gonna get a lot of dislikes. No, this doesn't mean I hate the S4 Mini. It's a wonderful device. But when you compare to phones, someone's gonna get out. I mean, but that doesn't mean the other one sucks, okay? I mean, I did pick, when I compared the S4 with the iPhone 5, in this, I picked the S4 as a winner, because for me, display is important. You can also argue this thing that if you do very into AMOLED displays, like colors and stuff, definitely the S4 Mini also could be the winner for you. But for me, I'm gonna call the iPhone 5 a winner between these two champs. Yeah, have a good day.